Hi everyone, my name is Vlad and today I want to show you essential oil distillation process. I'm going to use peppermint herbs, and also I have this amazing stainless steel setup, and today we're gonna start from beginning. So let's get started. Lower pipe of the condenser we connect to our water supply. Upper pipe of the condenser we will use for draining the water. After this, we need to fill our column with herbs. And in order to prevent the falling of herbs to our boiler, we have to cover it by sieve. In my case, I use early prepared water in order to speed up a little bit process of distillation. You can use just only half of this volume. So now we are assembling our column with the boiler. As you can see, it's easy to do by connecting it together with this tri-clamp. We just tied it up and turn on your heating source and adjust your oil separator. Please don't forget to supply your condenser with cold water, make sure it's cold. In 50 minutes we got just only 1.5 milliliters of peppermint essential oil and a lot of hydrolates. This is my first video. I wanted to show you that it's real. You can make your own essential oils. So thank you for watching and good luck!